Hi everybody. So we're gonna cook the Salisbury steak. And I wanted to tell you that my editing computer took a dump. So I have not been able to upload or do anything with videos. Go figure. So first I'm gonna drain the juice. From this. It smells good. I have some potatoes I cooked over there. And I have this doohickey I bought to mash potatoes, so we're going to check it out to see how it works. So I'm going to make a slurry to make gravy, so I'm going to get some beef bouillon. My squeaky door. Make some beef broth. Add some flour to my beef broth. I've been so stressed out about that computer. Technology. Ah. Just won't turn on. And I've got a lot of pictures and stuff on there, so it's sad. I'm gonna get this going. I'm gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. Just a dash. Then when it starts to thicken, I will add my patties. So in the meantime, and it's thickening already. And remember that has onions in it, but you can add more if you like. I'm going to add my patties. Our Salisbury steaks. Get all those onions out of there. Now with canned meat, it's always going to be softer, your meatloaf and things like that, than if you made it fresh. But it's very tasty, when you're not wanting to cook, or we have to eat this stuff because a situation arose. So we're going to start our potatoes with this doohickey that I've not used yet. supposed to do them like a ricer and make them nice and creamy. That's the goal. I love a creamy mashed potato. So let's see what we got here. Can you see that? See what we got. Gotta add some milk. And this pops right off for cleaning. Need some salt. Pepper. I need to grind some pepper. Put this in the dishwasher. Get some milk. Stir it up. There we go. And as per usual, it's the weekend. The washer's going. Let's see what we have. I'd say it's a keeper. It works. So that's my new potato masher. Well, it'll puree. It has another. I just whacked you. This one has grooves in it. Dogs. And this is for batters. And then you squeeze that, and this pops right off, and you put it in the dishwasher. So, pretty cool. Just wanted to check it out. This is what it is. It's a dash masher times 2. Batter cone, masher cone. The ultimate masher. Do sweet potatoes. Mashed potatoes, baby food there, guacamole. So I'm not affiliated or anything. I bought it and just wanted to see how well it works. So here's our Salisbury steak getting nice and hot. I think I'll open some green beans. Hey! Not in the kitchen, my children. Go outside or go in the other room. I don't know why they've decided to come in here and get all rowdy. It's my fur babies. They're all hopped up. Put my mess away. So I'm just going to let this simmer. I wanted to share with you cooking the Salisbury steaks. I told you my hamburger would shrink like crazy, didn't I? So I'm going to do this again, but with ground round. And I'm going to get some green beans going, and then I'll be back when we're plating it up. Alrighty, we're going to eat. Hey, you guys. What did I tell you a little while ago? I decided on peas. Which I need a spoon for. Excuse me, Belle. I'm not making this plate for any of you, so I don't know what all this is about. This is not our normal behavior, you guys. And there it is. So there's our home canned Salisbury steak. Some fresh mashed potatoes made with our new gadget, and some peas. So we're just gonna eat fast, easy, which was good because my brain is fried from dealing with technology. Ugh. So I just wanted to check in with you guys, share the canned Salisbury steak, and tell you that my stuff's broken. And I hope you all have a wonderful Memorial weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.